Welcome to AI Smart Factory, where the future of manufacturing meets the power of artificial intelligence. From intelligent robots and smart inspection systems to automated quality control and next-gen production lines, this channel is your gateway to understanding how cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing industries across the globe. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or an industry professional, you'll find videos that break down complex systems, showcase real-world innovations, and bring you the latest updates in AI-powered manufacturing. Expect deep dives into smart sensors, machine vision, robotics in quality inspection, and AI tools shaping the factories of tomorrow. If you're passionate about automation, robotics, or the future of industry, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and join us on this exciting journey. AI Smart Factory, decoding the future of manufacturing, one innovation at a time.